I was having trouble deciding on where to get a post-IO meal with my group of friends. Mark wanted noodles, Denise wanted fried chicken, and Ash, she really wanted pineapple pizza. Fortunately, Gemini and Firebase AI Logic recently added Google Maps grounding, so we are able to build an app to search and decide on where to eat pretty easily. In this deep dive, we're going to look at how to add Google Maps grounding to our Gemini queries to get better results. Here is the app that I built to help decide on where to eat dinner. Using the app, I could search for 3 places that serve pineapple on pizza. With Google Maps grounding in Gemini, I can utilize Google Maps data to filter out places that serve pizza without pineapple and narrow my results to only places with pineapple on pizza. This will get me my first few results, which I can then add to my short list of places to ask my friends about for dinner. I can then repeat the process for fried chicken and many of the other places that my friends would have an interest in. I then send out the list to my friends, and everyone puts in a vote on where to eat dinner. To add Google Maps grounding in our app, we first started off by using Firebase AI Logic for the chat experience. Since I don't need heavy server processes like RAG or loading a bunch of background documents, I can just use Firebase AI Logic on the front end to connect directly with Gemini. Once I have that done, I just add to my tools array, Google Maps, to enable Google Maps grounding when fetching my generative model. This enables the support to ground my results in Google Maps data. I then make my generate call as normal using the model I fetched earlier. Once that is complete, I can go through the responses, grounding metadata, and extract Google Maps information if present. Am I ready to ship my app? Not yet. You may have noticed that in my results page, I had a little note showing that the results were grounded in Google Maps data. When you show content that is coming from Google Maps via Gemini, one requirement is that you need to attribute the results to Google Maps. The requirements are to show Google Maps untranslated with a specific CSS class that you can find in our documentation. As an enhancement, I have added the Google Maps favicon next to the words Google Maps to show that the data is coming from Maps. With that, I have built an app where my friends can help decide on where to get dinner tonight. If you plan on grounding your data in Google Maps data, please let me know in the comments below. I am Nohe, and I cannot wait to see what you ground next.